Hello everyone. Today I will talk about book called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Here you can see. I've been reading this book from past 1 month slowly, few pages at a time. It's been I have covered half of the book. I will tell you few insights that I have learned from this. It says we should watch our thoughts because most of the time our thoughts will be thinking about the past or in the future, not the present. That's what he emphasizes, that we should always be in the present. We should always notice our thoughts and bring back to them to present. That's the main thing of this book, because sorry for that, because when we think about past or future, we be doing two things. One is we will be worrying about those things, some bad things or bad things that happen to us, or we will be uh, in the fantasy, and enjoying them. Like I'll be doing that after this and that. For example, uh, after I get job, I will go there. I will go to that mall, this mall. I will do enjoy. So this is the fantasy that I am thinking right now, and I'm not in the present. Another thing is, oh, what will happen if I don't get the job? Then I have to work under this one. Then I have to wait for the money. Something like this, we will be worrying. So this is also worrying. But we are present now. Nothing is happening right now. But our mind is assuming all the things, and it is projecting some fantasies. That's why he says, always be in the present, always notice your thoughts, bring back them to your present. And second point he emphasizes is that time is an illusion. Yeah, time is an illusion, because he says that there is no past, there is no future, only present, only now. Because whatever happened in the past, uh, that is our psychological time, that we assume that there was a past, there is a future. Like for example, it gives an beautiful example. Like imagine in the earth there is no human beings. Okay, in the earth there is no human beings, and only plants are there. So do they think about the time? Really? Like animals are there, do they think about the time? They just do what they have to do, right? They don't. There is no concept of time if there is no humans in this world. So that time is that a plant will just be there, and it will do what it need to be do. That will be there in the earth, right? So the time concept of time is we human beings have brought, right? So that's uh, second point that I want to tell. Time is an illusion, and that's it for today. Wait, I forgot, it's not 5 minutes, right? I need to speak another 2 minutes. And he says that why we think about the past or the future, that is because of some worries, or some our ego, or some other emotions that we should have been controlled, but they are not in control. That's why they are thinking about the past or the future. The first thing we have to do is to notice our thought. That is the main thing. Then we can slowly bring our attention to the present moment. And let me tell about my story. I've been doing meditation from past 1.5 years, and it's been around 6 to 7 months I started to notice my thoughts. Before that, I didn't even know that we can notice our thoughts. So when I started to notice all the thoughts, and then this book became very interesting for me, because whatever he was saying, I was actually uh, understanding and implementing them. Means I was like kind of victim, I can say. So that's why I'm able to very understand this book.